The spiritual meaning behind dreams of washing clothes, cleansing the soul and mind. Have you ever found yourself in a dream, scrubbing away at clothes, watching the dirt lift and fade, only to wake up with a sense of renewal or even uncertainty? What could this simple act of washing clothes be trying to tell you? Dreams of washing clothes often reveal more than we might think, serving as powerful symbols of purification, emotional release, and inner transformation. Washing clothes in a dream can symbolize the desire to cleanse yourself of emotional baggage or to correct aspects of your life that feel unclean or unresolved. Just as we wash away physical stains from fabric, so too do we seek to wash away the emotional and spiritual stains that weigh us down. Could it be that your subconscious is urging you to confront areas of your life where you feel guilt, shame, or regret? This dream may be a call to cleanse yourself of these burdens and begin anew. The type of clothing you are washing in your dream can provide additional layers of meaning. If you are washing everyday clothes, this could signify a need to cleanse your daily habits or behaviors. However, if you are washing special garments like a uniform or formal wear, it might symbolize the need to restore your sense of purpose, identity, or reputation. Are there actions from your past that need reconciliation? Perhaps your dream is telling you it's time to take responsibility and make amends. In spiritual contexts, washing clothes can represent purification and renewal. Water is often seen as a symbol of life and rebirth, and in your dream, the act of washing could be a sign that you are undergoing a personal transformation. This could indicate a desire to cleanse your soul and move closer to spiritual clarity. Just as monks or priests perform ritual cleansings in various religious practices, your dream might reflect your own inner desire to achieve spiritual purity. Next time you dream of washing clothes, consider what in your life may need to be washed away. Is there emotional or spiritual dirt that you need to release? This dream invites you to engage in self-reflection, to free yourself from guilt or old habits, and to embrace a fresh start.